All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So country. Country. Yeah, country. A place that has a government that occupies it. Yeah, a land. A different country. Yeah. I live in a different country from you. She went to a new country last year. He wants to go to that country soon. Yeah. So he wants to go to that country. Yeah. They are from a country that is far away. So they are from a country that is far away. How cool is that? Yeah. It is a tradition from her country. Yeah. It is a rule that his country has. It is a rule that his country has. Yeah. So I am from that country. Yeah, that country there. Yeah. That country. They are from different countries. I have been to a lot of countries around the world. Which country do you want to go to next? Which country do you want to go to next? Yeah. That used to be a country. Yeah. This is my favourite country. This is my favourite country. Favourite country. We are travelling to another country. I will be travelling to a different country each year. Each year I'll go to a different country. Yeah. How cool is that? How will he know which country to go to? To go to. He will go to the country where he is treated best. Yeah. He is looking for a country that is hot and cheap. How cool is that, language explorers? Hot, cheap. How cool is that? There are a lot of countries in Europe. Yeah. A lot of countries in Europe. How cool is that? So, can you use country in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.